Welcome back to the channel. Feeling a little chilly? Well, this pork and root vegetable stew is perfect on a cool and gloomy day. Meltingly tender pork, browned and then stewed with tender root vegetables. It's going to become a new family favourite.
Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy.
Firstly, let's coat the pork before it's browned. So whisk together the flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and the paprika in a medium bowl, then toss the pork cubes in them until coated. Heat the oil over medium heat in a large lidded pan or Dutch oven. Once the oil is hot, place the pork in an even layer on the bottom of the pan. You'll need to do this in batches, maybe 2 or 3, depending upon the size of your pan and the amount of pork you're using. When browned all over, transfer to a plate. Add a little more oil to the pan if needed, and add the onion, the leeks if you're using them, and the garlic. Fry these for a couple of minutes. Then add the wine, or an equal amount of stock if not using alcohol, and stir while scraping the bottom of the pan to deglaze any cooking bits from the pot. Oh, for goodness sake, it's been a long day and my guests will be arriving soon. Definitely won't waste that wine. Cheers, my dears. Now, add the celery, carrots, potatoes, chicken broth, tomatoes and the Worcester sauce and stir to combine. Followed by the bay leaves, dried basil, oregano and the remaining salt and pepper, and then give it a good stir. Bring the mixture to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer, covered for 45 minutes. Taste the sauce and season to your taste. Now I am an idiot and I didn't use a big enough pan to begin with, so I've just split my stew between 2 pans to complete the dish. Add the pork back into the pan, stir and cover simmering for 30 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now add the mushrooms and the frozen peas to the stew and simmer uncovered for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender. Give the sauce a taste and season with additional salt and pepper if needed. Sprinkle the finished stew with a little chopped parsley to make it look pretty. Then serve with crusty bread and maybe some mashed potatoes. Double carbs can't be bad. Well, I hope you liked that recipe. If so, do hit the like button, it really does help me out. And I've got well over 100 recipes and foodie related content on this channel, so check them out. Well, until next time, bye!